Alright guys, welcome back to episode 7 of the Duramax build. So if you remember from the last episode, we finished up our front end, but now it's time to make it a little bit prettier. We got this package from Truck Part Superstore and we want to install these parts, but as you can see, it got real cold real quick. Last weekend we were working in t-shirts and now it's below freezing. So we're gonna pack up our stuff and head to Kyle's shop to work where it's a little bit warmer. See you guys in a bit. Sorry guys, we got a little excited there. We haven't worked together in a while. If you don't recognize this guy, yes, it is Kyle. He lost about 5 pounds of facial hair, but thankfully he kept the most important part.
Yeah, the duster. Anyways, I barely recognize this truck when it pulled in. Like, it looks way different than the last time, like what I seen it last year or something.
Yeah.
But anyways, the front end's not looking too nice. Can we do something about it?
Yeah, actually pop the hood. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, what you got there?
So what we have here is a package from our friends at Truck Part Superstore. So if you remember the guys who sent us the exhaust tip for episode 5, I think, well, they helped us out again here. So these turn signals are looking pretty weathered and faded. I had tinted these a few years ago, but they're all cracked and looking like garbage. So they sent us these ones from Anzo. Oh, we almost lost it. So check it out. So on these ones, the front face isn't tinted, but the inside is all black, so it gives it the impression of being tinted. So we're gonna swap these in.
Very nice.
See, it's looking a lot better already.
Is that the same brand of the headlights you had on before?
Yeah, it is actually. So if you remember, when we started this series, we had some nice LED headlights on here. We took them off to get them polished and ceramic coated by Pit Stop Boys. They were looking a little bit weathered. So while we change these, we need to take the headlights off anyways. So we'll just swap everything at once and it's gonna look a million times better.
Awesome. But before we get into the install, let us tell you a little more about Truck Part Superstore.
So if you don't recall from episode 5, Truck Part Superstore is the go-to destination for all truck parts and accessories. If you scroll through their website, you'll see thousands of truck parts which can easily be filtered by year, make, and model to find exactly what you're looking for. The link to the signal lights we're installing today can be found in the description below, and if you want to save 5% off your next order, just use promo code TPS5 at checkout. Just remember that TPS is located in Edmonton, Alberta, so this discount is only available for Canadian residents.
All right, let's install these bad boys. So what do we need?
So for a job like this, typically what I like to use is proper footwear and my bare hands. You actually don't need any tools at all to change the lights on GMC or Chevrolet trucks. It's actually super simple. So come a little bit closer. Come closer.
Come.
You actually turn this guy, and then you lift them up like so.
Oh, they're just held in with those pins?
Yep. And then the headlight just slides out, and then you just have a couple connectors for the lights. Just pop that off. Okay.
There we are.
So as you can see, that was just 2 little connectors like this that you pop off. Super easy. Now we can remove this. And now for the turn signal, you need come in here. I'll show you. There's a little bracket right here with a tab. All you need to do is push on this tab and pull out like that, and your signal light is free. And then to take off these bulbs, this one you press on this tab here and turn. Same with this one, press the tab and turn. And then this one you just give it a 45-degree turn and it's out.
Voila.
Doesn't get much easier than that.
All right, on with the new.
Yep.
Let's do a quick comparison with the old ones.
Sure. So,
all right.
as you can see, these ones look a lot better. In terms of build quality, it looks pretty much like OEM. Looks really good. They put these little covers on that we'll have to take off. But overall, it looks really good. We'll put them on in a second and we'll tell you how the fitment is.
Looks pretty plug and play.
Yeah. If you want to see more info about this, we'll put the link in the bio so you can just click on it. These back on. We're gonna order some new LED running lights. They're not in yet, but for now, we'll put these back in. Okay, now to pop it back in, you just put these two little tabs in their slots there, and then over here, the last remaining tab, you just push it in place and it locks in.
Beauty.
Nice. Super solid, there's no wiggle whatsoever. Fitment is just like OEM. That's awesome. I'm happy with that for sure.
Right on. Let's get those new lights in.
Sweet. So yeah, you've probably seen these on the truck before, but Tristan at Pit Stop Boys gave these a good polish and ceramic coat so they look brand new. In terms of installation, this is very similar. You just have two connectors that you plug and play. We've already retrofitted this with an LED bulb just for a little bit more light output. And the only difference with these ones, they have some U-shaped LEDs and a few little dots there that require a separate 12-volt signal. So just connect that to any 12-volt running signal. If you want any more details on that, just send us a message. We'll show you guys how we did it. But it's very simple. So we'll plug these in.
That's your 12-volt connection?
Yes.
Science.
So that's our 12-volt running. Plug the high beams. Plug in the low beams. Tuck all your wires neatly. And then slide these pins back in like that. And twist it in to lock it. Same with the other side. Might have to wiggle a little bit to line up the holes like that. Pop it in place and we're done.
Wow.
Doesn't that look a million times better?
Woo!
We'll turn on the lights, show you guys how that looks.
Thanks Truck Part Superstore for supplying these nice signal lights.
Yeah, if you want these same lights or any other parts for your truck, don't forget to use the promo code TPS5 to save some money. And if you like this video and want to follow the rest of the progress on the truck, we still have lots more work coming on this thing.
Yeah, look for the next episode. Probably going to tackle the rest of the front end, bumper, and grill most likely. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. Very nice!
See no face, broke her heart. Next switch out to relocate. Book the flights and then I did. Me ain't tryna be like the rest. Me ain't tryna be like the rest. I'm pissed like a kid who ain't had it all. We ain't gonna see that it was out of raw. Hold these bands, I can't count them all. I'm going up, watch niggas fall off. Left them all, turn the boss up. I wanna ball like an all-star. Fuck with your cat in the Hellcat.